I said that I'ma clear it up, not seem I got a bump, call that Hiroshima. I be on my, like my things beating in my flow, so you might need to get it heated.
Hey, babe, you okay?
I've been coughing and sneezing all night.
Do you have a fever?
I do, Aunt.
And? Hey, pick up the phone. Pick up the phone.
You're right here. Why can't I talk to you from here?
Pick up the phone.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
I'm calling you.
I've been calling you all morning. I wanted you to get me something from the pharmacy.
The pharmacy?
Babe, stop playing.
The pharmacy? Listen, you look like you sound like you need the CDC.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Oh! Health department? CDC? I'm bugging. Nah, man, it's COVID-19 is serious out here, man. I think it's a game, man. I'm gone.
Come in.
Hey, babe.
What? How did you get in here?
Stop playing. You know your sister let me in.
My sister.
Well,
What are you doing here? Aren't you supposed to be with your wife?
all right, babe. On that note, we have to talk.
Okay, what's up?
You know how I told you I was going to divorce this lady, right?
Yeah,
Well, I just gave her the papers this morning.
really?
Yeah. You know, now, baby, it's only me and you, and that's it, just me and you.
Finally. Okay, let me ask you this. What's the real reason why you divorced your wife?
Well, I want you. There's really no more difficult than that. I want you. I want to be with you. Babe, it's just me and you now. Like, I don't want to be with her anymore. It's clear. You know that. You see that.
And how am I sure you're not going to do the same thing to me?
Come on now. You remember what we've been talking about? You remember what we've gone through together? Come on, babe. There's no way I could ever do anything like that to you.
Okay, so what are your next plans? What about me? Are you gonna marry me? Am I gonna become your wife? Are we gonna get a new house? What about our kids?
Nah, the question is, what is our next plans after this divorce, right? Babe, you don't have to worry about any or all or any of that. It's us. We'll figure it out. You don't have to rush.
Are you sure you're not gonna do the same thing to me?
Come on, babe. Stop playing. We'll talk about this later.
think I was exposed to the coronavirus at the hospital.
All right.
Make sure I put it all the way up.
Yeah.
All right.
One.
Come here. I said, come here. Come here. My bad. Okay. That was funny. All right. Come here.